Good afternoon, students. Today class I am going to continue the exercise number 5.2, question number 5. For the Tuesday class, just I explained about the ellipse, the major axis along x-axis, major axis along y-axis. I differentiate the ellipse in the major axis along the x-axis as well as major axis along the y-axis. Today also I continue the exercise number what? The same exercise number 5.2, question number 5 in the first subdivision. Identify the following. Identify the type of conics. Find the center, foci, vertices and directrix of each of the following. We are going to identify the type of conics and find center, foci, vertices and directrix of the each of the following. See, what is the first subdivision? What is the question? X square by 25 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. This is nothing but what? This is of the form x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. This is nothing but what? This is the equation of the ellipse. Therefore, the given form is what? Identify the type of conic means the type of conic is nothing but what? Ellipse. So, x square by a square, this is of the form x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Therefore, the ellipse is nothing but passing through the origin. Why I say passing through the origin? So, x minus 3, x minus h comma whole square, y minus k the whole square. Having h comma k is nothing but other than the origin, means it is not passing through the origin. Here x square by 25 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. This is of the form x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Therefore, the equation of the ellipse passing through the origin. So, yesterday also I taught the class. So, what is this? This is the center. S and S dash is the focus. A and A dash is the nothing but what? Vertices of the ellipse. So, x square by a square, y square by b square is, this is a square is the greater value. They divide in the what? Denominator of the x square is the greater value, means the ellipse is what? The the ellipse of the major axis is nothing but what? X axis, because this is x square by a square. X square by the greater value means this is nothing but the major axis is nothing but what? Along x axis. See the diagram also. If you understand the diagram very well, means easily I will be able to do this. Already I told you in the last class also. So what is a square? Comparing the equation 1 and 2. Comparing the given question and the equation, the form of the equation of the ellipse. What is a square? A square equal to 25, a equal to nothing but what? 5. Next b square equal to 9, b equal to 3. Otherwise, if you want to write, means x minus h the whole square by a square plus y minus k the whole square by b square equal to 1. H comma k is nothing but what? Origin. So, x minus 0, the same thing only. X minus 0 the whole square by 25, y minus 0 the whole square by 9 equal to 1. Therefore, what is our center? Center is nothing but what? 0 comma 0, that is origin. The question itself is given x square by a square of the form, y square by b square of the form. Therefore, the center C is nothing but what? Origin. Already write it. C is the center. The center is what? 0 comma 0. What is the vertices? Vertex means only one vertex, singular form. Vertices mean the plural form, because having the two endpoints. The endpoints are called, the endpoint of the ellipse are called what? Vertices of the vertices. The endpoint of the ellipse are called vertices. So what is A? A is nothing but what? 5 comma 0. Because what is the formula? A comma 0, A dash plus or minus A comma 0. The vertices is nothing but what? The vertices is what? A comma 0 minus A comma 0, or A is what? Plus or minus A comma 0. Otherwise, you say the vertices plus or minus A comma 0, because this is along what axis? The major axis what axis? X axis. Passing through x axis, y value becomes 0. That is what? A comma 0 plus or minus A comma 0, or A comma 0, A dash is minus A comma 0. What is the value for A? A is nothing but what? 5. A equal to 5. So, A 5 minus A is what? Minus 5. Therefore, the vertices is what? 5 comma 0 as well as A dash is what? Minus 5 comma 0. See the diagram. A is what? 5 comma 0. Minus A dash is what? Minus 5 comma 0. This is A. A is, I rewrite here. A is what? The vertices 5 comma 0. End point of the ellipse is nothing but what? Vertices. A dash is what? Minus 5 comma 0. Minus 5 comma 0 vertices. Next, S and S dash is the focus. Focus is named as what? S and S dash. This is S. S is the focus. S and S dash. This is from the center to the distance is nothing but what? Focus. CS, S and S dash is the distance between the focus. from the right to the ellipse and left to the ellipse. So focus, we are going to learn the focus. Vertices is a plus or minus a comma 0. Next vertices. Vertices is what? Similarly s of plus or minus c. Vertices also, sorry, focus also s of plus or minus c comma 0. Plus or minus c comma 0. So either we write a focus means singular, foci means plural, because two vertices having, two focus having s and s dash and focus, a and a dash are vertices. So in ellipse having the two focus, two vertices. So vertices is nothing but what? Plus or minus a comma 0. Remember that one. So foci what? Plus or minus c comma 0. But that is nothing but rewrite as s of c comma 0. S dash is what? Minus c comma 0. Minus c comma 0 or minus c comma 0 for s dash. So what is our c square formula? C square equal to a square minus b square. C square equal to a square minus b square. C square equal to 25 minus 9. 25 minus 9 is nothing but what? 16. So c square equal to 16 means c equal to what? Plus or minus 4. Therefore what is our focus? S is nothing but what? C comma 0 minus c comma 0. Therefore 4 comma 0 minus 4 comma 0. That only draw the diagram. This is what? S is what? Minus 4. Negative side minus 4 comma 0. Positive side what? Plus 4 comma 0. That only draw the diagram. So that's all only. Center is origin. So C is the center. Focus is what? Plus or minus a comma 0. From the given equation we find the a square value. From a square we find the a value. Plus or minus a comma 0. That is 5. 5 comma 0 minus 5 comma 0. Next focus is what? Plus or minus c comma 0. How will you find the c? C square equal to nothing but what? A square minus b square. A square minus b square. So 25 minus 9. 16. So c equal to plus or minus 4. Therefore the focus is what? Plus or 4 comma 0 minus 4 comma 0. Next directrix. Directrix is what? After to end point. This is the directrix. Directrix is what? Say the same thing. This is a by e. This is what? Minus a by e. So what is the directrix? X is equal to plus or minus a by e. So we know the value for c as well as a. C equal to what do you find now? C equal to 4. Therefore c equal to 4. C is nothing but what? ae. ae equal to 4. What is the a value? A equal to 5. 5 into e equal to 4. E equal to what? 4 by 5. That is eccentricity. The directrix formula is what? Plus or minus a by e. So c is nothing. Remember this one. C is rewrite as what? ae. 5 into e equal to 4. E equal to 4 by 5. Therefore x is equal to plus or minus what is our a value? A equal to 5 by e is what? 4 by 5. So a reciprocal of write it. What equal to 5 5 are 25 by 4 plus or minus 25 by 4. So x is equal to plus or minus 25 by 4. If we complete this is complete enough for you. In the book itself given x is equal to plus or minus 25 by 4. If you want to extend that one, means equation of the ellipsis, equation of direction nothing but what? 4x minus 25 equal to 0. Because x is equal to plus 25 by 4, x is equal to minus 25 by 4. That is 4x minus 25 by 4. 4x plus 25 equal to 0. Sorry, 4x minus 25 equal to 0, or 4x minus 20 become plus 25. 4x plus 25 equal to 0. If you want to stop, what? X is equal to plus or minus 25 by 4 is nothing but what? Directrix. Book is given the answer is what? The directrix is nothing but what? Plus or minus 25 by 4. Book itself is given in tabular form. I will write separately for you. If you rewrite like that only, easily understand as well as for your clearness. See the 5.2 8th part, the second subdivision, same model, x square by 3. See, denominator of the x square is smallest number comparing with the y square. Denominator is smallest for x square by the value smallest is easily understand. This is nothing but what? The major axis along what axis? Y axis. Comparing this one here what? X square by 25. Denominator of the x square is biggest value, means the ellipsis, the major axis of the ellipse is what? X axis. The denominator value is very smallest value. Denominator comparing x square by this is what? B square. We rewrite as x square by b square and y square by a square. So a denominator value of x square is smallest means the ellipse is nothing but what? The major axis is along what axis? Y axis. See the question itself, you understand the axis is either major axis or either x axis or y axis. See that one, comparing these two sums, x square by 25, the denominator of the x square is the biggest value comparing with the y square denominator. So this axis is major axis, what axis? X axis. But here see that one, x square by 3, y square by 10. The denominator of the x square is 3. 3 is what? Lesser than the y square value. So this is the first value, denominator of the x, the first value is what? Smallest value means the equation of the ellipse. The major axis is nothing but what axis? Y axis. Easily understand for you. So this is of the form. How will you rewrite this one? The equation of the ellipse. This is of the form x square by b square plus y square by a square equal to 1. Comparing the 1 and 2, because I drawn the diagram show to you. This is what axis? X axis. X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. This is of the form. Here what? X square by b square or x square by b square plus y square by a square equal to 1. Therefore, this is of the form x square by b square plus y square by a square. So, see, easily understand. The major axis is along what axis? Y axis. Major axis is along what axis? Y axis. So we rewrite this one, x minus h the whole square by b square, y minus k the whole square by a square equal to 1. Otherwise you substitute here itself, because this is the, because h comma k, there is no value for h comma k, the ellipse is nothing but what? Passes through the origin, that is c is nothing but what? 0, 0. The center is 0, 0. We draw the ellipse. A and A dash. A and A dash is already I told you vertices of the ellipse. A and A dash is vertices of the ellipse. S and S dash. Yes, this is a positive side always. S, negative side is S dash. S and S dash is nothing but what? Focus. A and A dash is what? Vertices. S and S dash is nothing but what? Focus. So, what do you understand? This is x square by a square. Therefore, the ellipse is passing through the origin other than the not other than the origin. So, x minus 0 the whole square by 3 plus y minus 0 the whole square by 10 equal to 1. What is our center? Center is nothing but what? 0, 0. Center is 0, 0. What is our vertices? If they draw the diagram, first you draw the C and draw the vertices A dash and S dash passing through. What axis? The major axis is nothing but what axis? Y axis. Major axis what axis? Y axis. So center is 0, 0. Vertices is what? If major axis Y axis means x value becomes 0. For major axis Y axis x value becomes 0 having Y only value. So A equal to 0, A. Or we rewrite as A equal to 0, plus or minus A. So x axis means what? Plus or minus A, 0. Y axis means what? For there is no value for the x, so 0, plus or minus a. Y axis means what? 0, plus or minus a. Therefore, the vertices is 0, a and a is 0, a dash is 0, minus a. You know, comparing that one, what is the a square? A square is nothing but comparing the equation 1 and 2. Comparing the equation 1. Keep it as this is 1. This is what? 2. Comparing the equation 1 and 2. A square equal to nothing but what? 10. B square equal to 3. Comparing the 1 and 10. A square equal to 10. B square equal to 3. Therefore, A square equal to 10 means what is the A value? A equal to root 10. B square equal to 3. B square equal to 3 means B equal to what? Root 3. If you always write the plus or minus. Here also right, because we take the root means that is nothing but what? Plus or minus. A square equal to 10 means A equal to plus or minus root 10. B square equal to 3 means B equal to plus or minus 3. Therefore, what is the value for A? A equal to 0, A. 0, A is nothing but what? Root 10. Minus A is what? 0, minus root 10. See, I draw it here. This is A, positive side. 0, root 10. A. Vertices A is 0, root 10. Vertices A dash is 0, minus root 10. If you want write means A is what? Nothing but 0, plus root 10. Positive side. This is the upper side. Above the x-axis. This is what? A dash. Below the x-axis negative. 0, minus root 10. So vertices. So understand? So what do you remember? This is what axis? Major axis along y axis. Therefore, a vertices is nothing but 0, plus or minus a. That is 0, a, 0, minus a. Substitute the value. Easily find it. Comparing the equation 1 and 2, we find the value for a and b. So a is nothing but what? Root plus or minus 10. So 0, root 10, 0, minus root 10. Next one is focus. Focus is similarly foci. Foci is what? S is equal to 0, plus or minus c. 0 comma plus or minus, same thing only, but y axis means what? 0 come first, x axis means value come first, y axis means 0 comes first. So 0 comma c, s dash is what? 0 comma minus c. How to find c? C equal to, remember the formula, c square equal to, what is our c square? C square equal to a square minus b square. C square equal to a square minus b square. Now c square equal to, what is our a square? A square equal to 10, b square equal to 3. 10 minus 3 equal to 7. C square equal to 7 means what is our c value? C equal to plus or minus root 7. C equal to plus or minus root 7. So what is our focus? Focus is nothing but what? S of 0 comma 0 comma plus c, 0 comma minus c. Therefore s is, that focus is what? 0 comma plus root 7. S dash is what? 0 comma minus root 7. Now see here, this is s. S is 0 comma positive side. Positive side means 0 comma plus root 7. Here what? That is nothing but what? S. Here s dash. S dash is nothing but what? 0 comma minus root 7. Minus root 7. That's all only. Very easily understand. So center, first one is, this is the 5 mark question asking sometimes. Center, vertices, foci. Center, what is the formula? The passes through the origin, that is 0 comma 0. Vertices is what? This is along y axis, therefore a is 0 comma plus or minus a. That only, remember that one. After find the a value, substitute that one. Foci is what? Similarly s is equal to 0 comma plus or minus c. C, using the formula, how to find c? C equal to a square minus b square. So c, we get c. Substituting a square and b square value, we get the c value. Then we substitute in the plus or minus c. Now directrices, equation of the directrices, y equal to plus or minus a by e. Along major axis, along y axis. Major axis along y axis means y equal to plus or minus a by e. Suppose major axis along x axis means x is equal to plus or minus a by e. Then only one change, y axis. Major axis along y axis means you write y equal to plus or minus a by e. What is our, you remember c equal to ae or ae equal to c. What is our c value? C value is nothing but what? Root 7. C equal to root 7. What is a? Already find out. What we find out a? A is nothing but what? Root 10. A equal to root 10. Root 10 into e equal to root 7. Now e equal to root 7 by root 10. Root 7 by root 10. Very important for this one. Remember this one. C equal to ae. The center is nothing but what? Ae. So instead of a, what you are substituting? Already find the way. A value is nothing but what? Root 7. A value is nothing but root 7. Next what? C value is a equal to root, sorry, a equal to root 10, c equal to root 7. We find out already everything for you. See here, plus or minus root 7. C value is root 7. A value is what? Root 10. So plus or minus root 10, plus or minus root 7. Here, so substitute here value, y equal to plus or minus a by e. So we are going to find the e value because we know a value and c value. So using this one, we are able to find the e value. ae equal to c. That is ae equal to c means what is our a? A equal to what? Root 10 into what is our e? We are going to find e value. C is what? Root 7. Now e equal to root 7 by root 10. What is the equation directly? Y equal to plus or minus root 7 because what is the formula for a by e? Direct is a divided by e. Instead of a, you substitute what? Root 10 divided by what is our e value? E value is root 7 by root 10. So just you write the reciprocal. If you write the reciprocal, what is, see one more step, or plus or minus root 10 into root 10 divided by 7 because write the reciprocal of the denominator. Root 10 into root 10 is nothing but what? 10. We get the 10. Root 10 into root 10 is nothing but what? 10. So plus or minus 10 by root 7. 10 by root 7. Therefore the equation directed is what? Y equal to plus or minus root 7. Plus or minus 10 by root 7. Y equal to plus or minus 10 by root 7. Easily, if you understand easily means the sum is very easy for you. See, always for the ellipse having, what are the things we need for the ellipse? We need center, focus, vertices as well as directrice. Comparing the first subdivision and second subdivision for the fifth sum, x square by 25 plus y square by 9. The denominator of the x square is the biggest value, means this is parallel to major axis what? X axis. Here what? X square by the denominator of x square means smallest value. Therefore the major axis is y axis. Remember that one. That's all only. So remember this thing means remainings are very easy for you. Usually you find the a value, b value. At the center is 0, 0. For x axis means plus or minus a, 0. For vertices x axis plus or minus a, 0. Y axis means what? 0, plus or minus a. Similarly, focus. Focus is x axis means what? Plus or minus c, 0. X axis is plus or minus c, 0. X axis means plus or minus c, 0. Suppose y axis means what? 0, plus or minus c. That's all only. The directness is what? X along major axis x axis means x is equal to plus or minus a by e. So suppose major axis along y axis means y equal to plus or minus a by e. Remember the four things properly means easily able to draw the graph and easily identify the types of the conic. So it is very easy for you, but you understand very properly. Thank you, students.